Good morning guys and welcome back to another vlog. So today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday guys. TGIW. Thank God it's Wednesday. Yay! More? Okay. More daw. Oh, nangyari. Say good morning, people. Good morning na. Hi. Hi, people. I am having my breakfast. Good morning, people. Wow, kapagkagat ka ng bongga, ha? Ayan. Kakababa lang namin, guys. And then, I give her breakfast. Ito muna yung pinapakain ko. Butter coconut biscuit. Nabili ko siya sa Asian shop kahapon. Ayan. Very nice. Favorito ko to eh. Kasi butter siya, guys. And then coconut, diba? I like it. Tingnan nyo naman yung bibig niya. Punong-puno. Kasi kinagat lahat. Yummy yan. Yummy. Yummy no. Wow. Oh, yummy. Good girl, Maniko. So, what I have planned today is mag-assemble ng mga binili nating furnitures. O, diba? Meron na tayong entertainment table na binili. And then, we have the rattan cabinet para dun sa fish tank. Kasi kailangan ko yan i-change yung kanyang pa-stand dyan. Kasi ayoko nang makitang open. Ayan, oh. Baka ilagay ko yan sa maybe playroom ni Mia. Kasi, lalagyan ng mga toys niya siguro. Not sure. But, yeah. Kasi tingnan nyo to. Although, meron siyang mga maliliit na boxes, pero syempre, kitang-kita pa din yung mga nandyan, guys. 4 yung box na. Hindi ko alam sana yung isa. But, yeah. So, dyan kasi nilalagay ni V yung cords para sa fish tank. Tapos, yung mga iba dyan, arts and craft ko. So, yeah. Look our fish. Diba? The problem is, we don't know how to carry this later to transfer sa ating i-assemble. But, yeah, we'll see. Di ko alam kung matatapos natin yung pag-assemble today. But my sister's gonna help me. So, we'll see na lang kung ano mangyayari. If hindi siya matapos ngayon, then for sure, I will continue the vlog the next day. But, yeah, we'll see. Kasi tomorrow, meron ako na appointment sa dentist ko, guys. So, may tumatawag, which is the dentist. So, di ko nasagot. Yun, meron akong appointment sa dentist ko. Yung sabi ko na i-email nila ako about the Invisalign if tapos na yung paggawa. There's something that they wanna tell me daw, yung dentist. So, I have to go there tomorrow. May booking ako tomorrow sa kanya. And, yeah, we'll see what it's gonna be. But yeah, today I'm excited kasi finally, reorganize na natin yung house. So, this is the look. Minove ko na siya muna. Ayan, minove ko na siya dyan kasi dito kami mag-assemble ng kapatid ko. So, this is the look, guys. Ayan, o, diba? Ang gulo-gulo. Ayoko niyan talaga dyan kasi, oh my God, ewan ko na lang. Tapos, ayan, I'm planning to put yan sa playroom ni Mia. For now, di pa siya gumagana eh. So, yan. I don't know what to do with that table. Di ko alam kung ibibenta ko or ibibigay ko. I'm not sure. But, yeah. So, that's what it looks like for now. Super magulo, guys. Diba? So, yun. I'm just waiting for my sister to get down here para ma-start na namin ang pag-assemble. So, yeah. Alright, guys. So, ito yung ating TV unit na i-assemble. May story to sa TV unit na to, guys. So, tingnan mo si Mia. Andyan na sa taas. Malaglag ka. Hop off. Hop off. Hop. Wow. Alright. Tinatry niya isuot yung shoes niya. Yung story nito, iba yung in-order ko, pero out of stock sila. So, ito yung binigay nila. Same color, same, parang medyo same design. Pero, yung isa kasi na una kong in-order, close lahat, guys. May door talaga lahat yun, which is good. Para hindi matouch-touch ni Mia katulad niyan. Merong parang space, merong open dyan, which Mia likes to, you know, touch everything. Kinuha ko na nga yung mga nandyan. Yung natira na lang talaga yung nakakonect sa TV. And, ito, meron siyang 3 open. Makikita nyo later. So, sabi ko, sige, ito na lang. We're just gonna find a way para ma-close to. We're thinking for V to put like a door there someday. Tingnan mo po. So yeah, we'll assemble it now. And yeah, I'm waiting for my sister still. So i-open ko lang to guys while waiting for her. Si Mia, feel niya umupo dyan. Hi! Ano na?
Thousand years later.
Guys, ayan na po siya. Di ko nalagay. Meron siyang legs, pero hindi namin malalagay yung legs. It's because hindi siya nagta-tighten. Super loose niya guys sa baba, and it's very dangerous when Mia like hold this. Baka ba mabalintong siya. So, that's what it looks like for now. And I'm planning to put the TV right there para iba naman yung scenario ng ating bahay. It's very nice. I like it. Pero bumaba siya kasi maganda sana to pag may leg siya kasi mataas siya. Like, same sila ng height ng white namin. But, ayan, di ko siya malagay. I emailed them. Di ko alam kung ano yung solusyon na gagawin nila. But, yeah. For now, di ko muna ilalagay yung legs. And what happened, meron siyang ano dito, like, tawag dun, like knob. Nasira yung isa kasi kinagat ni Pochi guys without us knowing kasi busy kami dito. So, hindi ko malalagay. But I'm planning to, ito yung ano niya. Wait, is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ito siya guys. So, yan dyan dapat, oh. Pero, ayan. Pero I'm planning to get like a better one. Like yung maganda ba. Kasi parang pangit na tingnan. Pero, yan. That's what it looks like. So, dyan yan. Pero di ko ilalagay nga. It's because nawala na yung isa. Ito yung legs niya guys. Oh, yan. Dyan yan dapat. Pero, you know, di ko alam bakit hindi sila mag-tighten. Isa lang yung nagta-tighten sa kanilang 5. 5 yung legs niya. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna move that couch, guys, and that shoe rack there. I-move muna natin yan sila dyan, tapos ilalagay na natin yung TV unit there. So, yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright, so that's what it looks like right now. It's very short. Oh my god. Ay, nako. It really looks good with the legs. But yeah. so we have a problem. Hindi natin malalagay yung TV cabinet doon. Kasi nga, may antenna, guys. Dito pala yung mga sockets and everything. I already thought about it before. Nalalagyan lang siya ng extension to go there. Pero hindi siya magagawa. It's because of the antenna. Short lang kasi yung antenna namin. If mahaba yung antenna, sana, papunta doon, it is good. Pero hindi siya mahaba, guys. So, we're just gonna put the TV unit there. So, the TV will be there. Pero, the problem... Yeah, we do.
Not really.
Okay, for now, maybe we're not gonna watch that na, no? Until we buy a new cable na mahaba. Do you think? Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Alright, we'll see. Alright, so next, i-assemble natin is for the fish tank. I-change na natin yung cabinet na yan para tago na lahat. So, ayan na, guys. We're gonna go to bed na. Oh, close na. Oh, yay! Oh, Bloki's. She's going to bed now. She's really sleepy. Oh. Alright, so Tita Pretty is going to do it by herself. Oh, sige na. Oh, bye-bye! Gising na siya. Oh, gising na ang bata. Tingnan nyo, Daddy's home. Ayan. Mga 2 hours ata. Almost 3 yung tulog niya. Siya na talaga. What time ba siya natulog? Mga 12:30, guys. And come check. What time namin niya? 2:45 na, guys. O, diba? 12:1:30. 2 hours lang. 2 hours lang. Nakatulog siya mga 2 hours. O, diba? Siya na talaga. Busy-busy na siya. And ito na. Natapos na ng kapatid ko. Siya lang yung nag-assemble nito. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the legs. Kasi yung legs niya is super taas. At lalagyan kasi natin siya ng aquarium. So, hindi siya safe for Mia. So, ayan. That's what it looks like right there. Sa Kmart ko lang to nabili, guys. Ayan. Yung rattan nila na cabinet. It's very nice, actually. I like it.
A few moments later.
Alright. So, we took the legs off already. Tingnan nyo ito. Bising-busy din yung bata. And now, we have to empty the water there. Para malagyan natin yung tank dyan. Yung fish tank, guys. So, let's do that. Alright, guys, so this is what it looks like right now. For now, dyan muna namin nilagay yung aming couch para maraming space dito. So, ayan, gustong-gusto ko siya kasi maraming space dito, tsaka open lang siya. Pero this is not what I picture in my mind. Iba yung nasa isip ko talaga na gawin. Like, yung dalawang couch, like, yung isang ganyan, tsaka yung nandun sa dulo, tsaka yung isang lalagyan ng mga tubig, whatever it is. Dito siya sana. Tapos yung dalawa na natira dyan sa gilid. But my sister likes this way kasi open siya. So, sabi ko, sige, okay, dyan na lang muna. But, I wanna try also yung gusto ko talaga na mangyari. So, I don't know if I wanna change it. Kasi hindi nakikita yung binili natin sa Kmart na rattan cabinet. Ayan. Sa Kmart yan, diba guys? So, di namin nilagay yung paanga, as I said earlier. Tapos, okay naman siya. Ayan na yung tank. And then, medyo magulo siya tingnan kasi, yun nga, parang super dikit sila ng couch. And, ayan na yung TV natin. That's what it looks like. And, wala din siyang paa kasi nga, hindi siya natatighten. So, delikado siya pag i-touch ni Mia, you know. So, ayan. That's what it looks like. Super short na siya kasi wala siyang legs. But, that's okay. And then, dyan ko muna nilagay yung shoe rack. Ayusin pa natin yan, guys. Ayan, ito na yung ating pa-dining dito. Si Mia kumakain na siya. Ayan. And then, we have this. Yan yung mga table na hindi natin kailangan. And then, yung sa fish tank before. And yung ating old TV cabinet from IKEA. So, I think IKEA doesn't sell it anymore, guys. So, yeah. That's what it looks like right now. Super magulo pa siya dito. Ayusin natin yan. And we're going to have dinner. Mia's having her dinner na. She's having sayote and baboy. And then we're gonna have our fish na niluto kagabi ng kapatid ko. Sausage. Ay, sausage? Tocino. Tocino ata yan. Tocino yan, oh. Oh, tocino. And then, meron pa tayo nito. Yung Korean pork belly na sobra from the camping, guys. Kasi bumili din si mama, so hindi yung iba din na nakain. So, yan, kain muna tayo. Alright, so this is the look of our living room right now. Since nag-assemble tayo ng mga furnitures natin, wala pa yung rug. So, I added it here. And this rug is from Kmart. So, yeah, I really like the design. But the downside of this, guys, meron siyang mga white thingy na dumidikit sa paa mo. And then when you sit on the couch, meron siyang parang white stuff na dumidikit sa couch, which we don't like. So, I might change this later on kasi ayaw din siya ni V. But yeah, for now, yan muna siya. I really like it though kasi mahaba siya, guys. So, sakop na sakop niya yung space sa aming living room. And yan na yung nilagay ko dyan na table. Yung table ni Mia and yung chair ni Mia. Kasi pag nanonood siya ng TV or pag may naglalaro siya, umuupo talaga siya dyan, guys. And yung addition dito is our cushion. I have this cushion right here. Ayan. Kmart ko to nabili, guys. I like it as well. And this parang square cushion. I got the cushion and the cushion cover from IKEA. Matagal na to. But yeah, I'm gonna change the cover. Meron akong parang yellow dun na cushion. So, yan yung ipapalit ko dyan. For now, yan lang muna siya. And then, we added this side here as well. We have this plant from Bunnings. And yung kanyang pot is from Kmart. Yung large size nila na ganito. Kasi may iba't ibang size to, guys. Medium. This is the medium size from Kmart. Kasi meron silang iba't ibang size nito, guys. And then, of course, this, hindi ko alam kung ano tawag dito. I've got this from Kmart as well and I like it. So, dyan lang muna siya. And we have space there and I'm planning to put our Christmas tree right there. And then, on this side, makikita nyo naman on top of the couch ang ating paklak. So, binili ko siya sa Ellenbrook Shopping Center. Hindi ko na malala kung anong name ng shop, guys. Pero, marami silang mga binibenta na mga pang decor, home decor. And, yeah, nakuha ko siya. And it's on sale as well, which I really like. And then, dito na side, ayan. So, you already know na binili natin to sa Kmart. And meron ditong space. Hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin dito. But, I'm planning to put something there na hindi matatabunan yung ating rattan cabinet. And on this side, we have the TV cabinet, guys. And I already contacted them about the legs of the cabinet. And yeah, I already sent them a video and blah blah blah. We already exchanged emails and yeah, we'll see what they're gonna do. But ayan siya. Di ko pa nalagyan ng door knob sa kabila. So, yan. Pupunta tayo ng Bunnings and we'll check that out. So, dito, nilagay ko lang yung mga dried flowers natin na binili before from IGA. I've got the vase from Kmart as well. So, yeah. That's what our living room looks like right now. I'm planning to put another rattan, like side table right there. So, para meron naman siyang kasama sa kabila. So, it's on the way. I ordered it already and yeah, we're just waiting for it to arrive para ma-assemble natin. So, yeah.